Away from the news, ladies and gentlemen. We are human beings.
I greet honor. Anytime, anywhere, I take the watch this video, I greet honor. Matter there on ground. I don't carry other G's come make you know say me. My mouth need a rest. Now carry other G's come again. TV presenter, KBN TV presenter, don't go ask for his salary for live TV when they present news. The guy pause, enter the other way, say outside the news. All of us now human being. So as it feel like this now, they're supposed to pay us, and they're supposed to pay us our money with the work, and they will never pay us. Me and the other of my colleagues, them they never pay us. So the guys pay us, we say all of us now human being. This guy post news, come up for news line, come ask of his salary. The matter be say this guy. So I feel a pity him. At the same time I need to still pity him because they go surely pay him his salary. So that one, if say that matter don't settle, then go surely pay him the money. But in the other aspect, wetin he do to me, he no good. You understand? He no good. He did very wrong. Wetin do they very wrong. They don't send you dey on duty, you dey on work. Focus on the work. After the work, maybe if you go meet your manager for your office or your supervisor, anyone, just go meet and your director. There's a offer. Give me my money, like this. So if you even drop resignation letter, say, man, okay, I resign. If you know, pay my money like that. But this one for they tell the whole world, say, see the way our TV station bill, and they pay salary. See the way everybody they come in note. Because they go just pay the money. They go pay on the money, then fee sack am. The fee sack am. They now probability, the other probability now 2 waiting. Then fee keep am, warn am or give am suspension or fine anything. Still give pay am salary, but same time then fee still sack am because he don't go expose their secret. He don't go expose them to the world. See the way we be. He go talk this kind of thing for live TV. It no dey good now. How na see am? Because to me, the guy waiting him do, they very, very wrong, very, very wrong. Get one time we say I will do my IT for one radio station. I no go mention the radio station and the state. I no go mention, but I will do my IT for there. So we now as students that year, when we do IT, when we don't go when we go inside the studio, they see everything because now first time they see studio, so all of us don't just dey happy. So okay, one day we self go work for this place. One day we self go be like this man. One day we self go receive salary like these people. Not knowing that them where they work, then they smile for front, but for back then they cry. Then they cry bitterly. Those presenters for that radio station, those as in 3 to 4 months, they never pay them salary. But when they don't come on air when they won't come on air, they talk, then they smile, they laugh, then they very happy. But for inside their mind, then they cry, then they vex. We said we don't know the first time we will go. So I don't just know why all this radio station, TV station, press and all the rest. I don't just know why then they behave like this. They owe people salary for long, but for this KBN presenter, so the way he takes sound, you be like say now just 1 week or 2 weeks don't pass, so if they never paid and he can talk this kind of thing, so they very wrong. You understand? If you don't reach like 2 months, then or 1 month don't finish, but anyway, see it gets some kind of things. So if the situation go day, you understand? We see money no go day to settle your workers. So you say if you go understand, so okay. So but if they pay you before, well, but the situation now come day somehow, they no come meet up for that month again. You say you go bear, you go bear with them. Then when the money don't day, they go give you. But so when we did for the so-called IT radio stations, so when they do IT for them, they come hold meeting one day. All of us come attend. All the IT students they come attend the meeting. So inside the meeting now we come the hear so many secrets. The manager now they pay only one presenter money every month. In the whole salary. Because why? In the Colombia, this one in the Colombia for packs only the whole salary. But the other ones them and the other female presenters every day we want Colombia but no agree. Them now in the hold themselves, including the men, in the hold them, in the pay. Small time go say man I wait, so thing. Understand? Because the other one so in the Colombia, every minute she go inside in office like that. That day for meeting, secrets them. They come they talk, this one is wrong. So many people resign that month, even that year. So many presenters, so many workers for that station, they resign. Say then they work again. If not this kind of thing, then they say then get family for house. They no ready to. They can't play small children play for ya. Then they work and you need to pay them. You know, so the thing now is very wrong. The money that you go pay your workers, but this man, this KBN presenter, so this man, I mean, to me, waiting you do it, they very wrong. I go play the video for now. To me, waiting you do they very wrong. But in another aspect, they go pay him, but they feel caution her and give her suspension or fine her or even sack and serve. So the thing we do to me it's not good. If we just wait. We can't talk this kind of thing for air. Say pay your salary, this that. No good. I will play on the video. No waiting in talk. I hear everything when in talk. Yeah, so I beg if na your first time they watch my video for this channel, I beg may you subscribe so that any other video when I carry come, you say you go take part of the gist. But may you drop your comments. For the comment section to tell me if waiting this man do they wrong or right. I beg just drop your comment. Make all of us discuss for this matter. More know whether the thing we need to is they right or wrong. More discuss the matter. Drop your comment, but don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Watch Meeting the Man talk for this thing. So thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to KBN. We are the finest television on Top Star, channel 102. Or you can follow live our proceedings on KBN TV on Facebook and YouTube channel. It is the 19th of June 2021. Welcome. Top stories making headlines today. President Lungu honors KK. TCZ suspends physical submission of applications. PF and UPND sign violent-free accord. Accounts commit suicide over date. Zambia records 1,860 new cases, COVID-19 cases. In international news, Iran elections guidelines rise to become president. In sports news, sports league battles till the end. Away from the news, ladies and gentlemen, we are human beings. We have to get paid. Unfortunately, on KBN, we haven't been paid. People are getting instruments on KBN. Tapelo Josimata, Sharon, and everybody else haven't been paid, including myself. We have to get paid.